pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
It's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm really glad you clicked on this video, and if you're returning, you guys know I love you so very much. Thank you for coming back for another video. Today I have, and I feel like I'm the last one to get it, the Jeffree Star Spring Mystery Box, and it's the Supreme one. So I think this was the $160 box. Here it is. It is heavy, and I forget how many items are supposed to be in here, but we're gonna unbox it. There's no way. I don't have a whole lot of room here. I had to like shove everything to the side. Ooh, the first thing that I see. This was probably from his, well, you know that collection with the nudes. I'm not gonna say the name, but anyhow, this looks like a mirror. Did I leave my scissors? Why do I always put them away? Where are they? Let's see. This looks like a mirror. Oh, chocolate soft touch is what it says on the sticker. So I'm guessing this is a brown mirror. All right. Did you guys get one of these? Let me know which box you got. Okay. This nails are very difficult. Okay. Ooh, it is nice and soft. Look at that. Ooh, I like. Okay. Very cool. I forget the value of his mirrors. I think they're like 30 or 25 or something like that. So we're going to put this aside and keep on unboxing. Wow. There looks like there's, oh my goodness. Whoa. Guys, it's just right here. There's like no, I can't even, oh my gosh. You got to be kidding me right now. This is the Bloodlust Palette. This is the one I drove to North Carolina to get. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at her. Do you remember her? I have her. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. If you haven't seen her, forget her value. This is what she looks like. She's got a mirror. The packaging is stunning. I haven't used mine in a while. I'm really shocked to get that. I am really shocked. Okay. So far we got a mirror and the Bloodlust palette, which right there is over $80 worth of stuff. Oh my gosh. All right. Next, I see. What is this? It looks nice and springy. What on earth? I did get a small. It made me choose a size. I chose small. I don't know if I mentioned that to you guys. What is this a makeup bag? Oh, wow. It is tie-dye. And it's got a zipper in here and pockets and everything. Oh, on the, here it says Jeffree Star. Wow. I don't think I've seen these. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. And it kind of just, and it's got the star right here. I didn't see that. That's really cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see what else we got in here. Guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. We got another palette. Okay, guys, so the O palette with a Bloodlust sticker on it. Alright, let's open her up. Let me show you guys what she looks like. I don't know why. I broke another nail. I took a break. I realized there's a lot of stuff in there. Got something to eat. Took make it to the doctor. Now I'm back. Alrighty. So here is the Neutrals palette. I also have this one as well. What do you guys think? Do you have this palette? Was it something that you wanted that you didn't get? All right. Let's put her back. I'm kind of impressed so far. There's a lot in here. I mean, the mirror, the Bloodlust, the bag, the tie-dye bag. That's super cute. Wasn't expecting that. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, oh my gosh. There's quite a bit in here. I got an extreme frost. Gag me, Jeffree. With these names. Alright, let me open this up. Let's see. Oh, oh my goodness. Hi, do you want to come out?
Amber said, was she changed?
She was, but she had something to drink after. Look at that.
She was, but then she had something to drink.
That is amazing. Let's see. Wow. It's iridescent. It's like glow everywhere, which is kind of cool, but I wouldn't use it for my face because it's just, I don't like the glow to spread out so much where it's like iridescent. I would rather just a nice line of highlight. So let's put this back. I love the casing though. Gorgeous. All right. Then we've got, which looks like single eyeshadows. I wish he'd give us a case. I don't think there's a case in here for them. Does he have a case on his website for these? Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's open up the single shadows. Let's see what we got here. Jawbreaker. I gave that palette to someone. Here's Jawbreaker. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. These nails are not going to last very long. For some reason, can't get it open. Let's see, which is this one? Ooh, this is Delicious. I think that's also in the Jawbreaker palette. And then we've got Soaked, which is either from Blue Blood or Jawbreaker. Okay, so that's nice. Let's see the next. Oh my goodness. There is, wow, quite a bit in here. This is the first time I ever got a Supreme box. I could not get them at first. It looks like I got a hoodie. I did. I got the new hoodie. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Yeah, here it is. Whoop. And this feels like a really good quality. I did have the Valentine's Day hoodie. There it is there. It has an extra, no, okay, yeah. It feels really good. I'm liking that. Do you guys like the hoodies, the new ones? The new logo? I think it's neat. It's different. And it's definitely pretty. I like the colors. Okay, so it looks like we have a Velvet Trap lipstick and Medieval Kiss. I have not purchased any of these. So, oh, this is pretty packaging. Look at that. Ooh, that is the black one or brown one or something. No, it's purple. Oh, wow. That's pretty. Nice and creamy. I do like the designs on it. It's got a bunch of stars all around it. First time I've ever seen one of these in person. Okay, I do like the packaging too. That's kind of neat. All right, it looks like we have got a lip liner in Allegedly. Do I have this one? I don't know if I have this one or not. Oh my goodness. These packaging. Ugh, come on. They want to see you. Okay. Alright, I'm just ripping it. It's just going to irritate me. Again, the packaging is always stunning. Let's see. Allegedly. Not a bad color. Very nice. Okay, we have a liquid lip in androgyny, androgyny, I forget how you pronounce that. It says shake well before you use. Sometimes I forget that. Ooh, I love this color. Hoo-hoo-hoo. That is pretty. Let's swatch her. Ooh, look at her there. I'm liking it. Very cool. And we've got another liquid lip in Gemini. Ooh, is this a nude too? Getting excited. Oh yes, nude lipsticks. Oh wow, okay. Let's put this one down here. Oh yeah, I'm in it. Thank you, Jeffree. Look at that, right down here. That's gorgeous. And his liquid lips dry down and they don't move as much as what lipsticks do, so I love them. Okay, we've got two glosses. This one looks like it is from the Bloodlust collection. This says Wizard's Glass, and I did not have that one. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Ooh, nude heaven. I'm loving these colors. I didn't get anything crazy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm loving that. Right here. Let me put it on my lips. Let me just see. My lipstick has been coming off for hours now. So. And the scent. Very nice. I'm liking it. Alright, we've got one lip gloss left. And it is Let Me Be Perfectly Clear. I guess it's the clear one. Wild guess. Yep. There it is. Just a clear gloss. I'm not going to open it up because I'll wind up messing it up and getting different colors on the wand. She is very pretty. So now we can recap what we got. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay. Are we ready? We've got 2 liquid lips, 3 single eyeshadows, 2 lip glosses, 1 lip liner, 1 Extreme Frost highlighter, 1 velvet lipstick, a hoodie, a little purse, the Orgy palette, the Bloodlust palette, and the mirror. Soft chocolate. Oh my gosh. This was a very well curated box and worth it. So very worth it. Did you guys get one of these? Let me know which one you got down in the comments below. I may do a giveaway with these because I'm going to go through them. I'm going to see what I want. I'm pretty sure I want all the lip products and everything, but there very well might be a chance that I may come back and do a giveaway with these palettes because I have them both already. So, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's do a giveaway. And you guys could choose. I won't touch the Bloodlust or the Orgy palette, and we'll do a giveaway. It will go on from the time I upload this video. You must be 18 years or older or have a parent's permission. It's international. You can live anywhere you want. That does not bother me at all whatsoever. But I would like you to be subscribed, like this video, and share it out if you can. If you can't share it out, that's fine. It's not everybody has a bunch of social media. And then I will put the official giveaway rules in the description box and the end date as well. So that's it. All you gotta do is put enter me. Not everyone's gonna want to enter the giveaway, so if you're interested in it, write enter me down in the comments below, and then random picker will choose somebody in about 2 to 3 weeks. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing. I am very excited about everything that I got. I will talk to you guys really soon in another video, and good luck. Bye!